Hi guys, Olga Soby here, and today I'm going to do a traveling paint kiss feather for Sam July challenge. I'm going to work on a black base, so with black negative space, and all of the colors for my feather are metallic. Also, I added approximately 10-15, probably 15% of 3R pouring medium on all of my colors, including the base one. And I want to see if this is going to make any difference in the end result. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm working on 11 by 14 canvas today, and I have already applied the base layer, so let's do the traveling paint kiss. I think I want to add a touch of orange. On top of my gold, because I see that gold is taking over. Maybe a touch of red as well. So I want to go this way, and let's get started. Oh, this looks very good. I really like it. Nice. Oh, perfect. So I want to stretch it just a little. Not too much. You can't really tell that all these are metallics, but they are, and I hope they're gonna dry nicely. Oops. In all the black. Okay, I don't want to touch it anymore. I think it looks very good already. Yeah, I'm not even going to blow the edges today. I'm just going to add the center line and turn it into feather. Oh, this tree art is sticky. Looking pretty good. Let's see if I get any cells. No, it looks like tree art is acting very close to liquid pouring medium, because I am not getting any cells at all. Which is not a bad thing. I don't think I even need them here. I don't really like this line right here. I think it's a bit too long, so I might need to paint it with black once dry. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share, and I would love to hear from you. And if you're going to give this technique a try, please don't forget to include the hashtag SamJulyChallenge. Alright guys, happy pouring and have a nice day. Bye bye.